Hey, and welcome back to Why Do You Care Cooking Show. Today we're going to be making some falafels. Alright, so we're going to have some spices, some bread, some olive oil, and some garbanzo seeds, beans. Alright, so you want to take the spices and you just want to put them right in there. Put everything in there. Make sure you get everything in there. Alright, once you've done that, you gotta put the cap on. And let's go. Alright, now we're gonna add everything else. Okay, the garbanzo seeds. Beans. God. Yep. The garbanzo beans. So you wanna get yourself a can opener. Just wanna open up that can up. It's just like a regular old plain old regular can. Yeah, I know what you kiddies like. You guys like those classic cans. I play that game way too often. There we go. Just go. And we're gonna rinse them. Follow me. Alright, as you can see, got some dirty dishes, but that doesn't matter. I'm gonna get a strainer.
In those bag of spices, there were 4 scallions, 2 cloves of garlic, half a cup of fresh cilantro, 1/4 a cup of fresh mint. There was breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon sea salt.
Alright, now we're gonna put the beans in there. Oh, look at those beautiful baby boys. Look at those. Oh, muy bien. Wonderful. I'll rinse them off. Got all that nasty goo liquid off. Then when you're done, on that, you gotta put those bad boys in there. You don't want to screw up this part because, you just don't want to screw up. It's embarrassing for a professional to screw up their cooking show on live TV. It's embarrassing, and that's why you don't want to screw it up. Alright, now you want to get some bread. Alright, make it rock hard, just like my rock collection. Really hard. Alright, we're just gonna shove that in there, put that top on. Just a second. Alright, put that top on. Flip it over. Make that fall. Welcome back, everybody. I've successfully blended all the stuff, and it looks like this. Pour this out into one big bowl, and then we're gonna take our mixer. We're just gonna mix that all that stuff in. Now I'm doing this step because blenders are not food processors apparently, and you gotta do this yourself if you don't have a food processor. So you just gotta cut it up, mix it up, do whatever you gotta do, make a good falafel, everybody. And if you know what, you get some on the counter, it's fine. Just, the only thing that it hurts is your food career. It's fine, because you don't even have one. Alright. Muy bien. Oh. Ooh. Got a bunch of bits and pieces. Alright, so now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get in here, grab one of these, and drizzle some oil on ourselves, Yeah. Oh, yeah. Alright. You just want to manhandle those patties, those falafels, man. You just gotta manhandle them. Yeah. It's a good one. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Oh boy. So those are looking scrumptious already. Ooh. See, this is a prime example of why you never tell people what you can and can't do. Because, everybody was like, hey, you can't make falafels. You kidding me? You can't make falafels. You can't make falafels. My family is very anti-falafel. It's very sad and brings a tear to my face. So I'm going to force them to eat these to change their mind. Add a little bit more olive oil. You could just wash your hands with olive oil. It's fine. Do all the time. And people love me for it. They say, hey, I got a couple falafels that need manhandling. And I'd be like, oh, I can do that right away. No, I'm going to make this one a square because I feel like it. But really, you know what? Get creative. It doesn't have to be just a ball. Just get creative. Get real creative. You can do whatever you feel like you want to do. There we go. And boom. That's perfect. I'm going to make this one a representation of how long it took me to make this. Yeah, it's not good. Alright, so now we're going to cook these with some cooking spray. So just turn over here. Yeah. Alright. Get a real good look. Right, now we're just, Now that's all hot and steamy. Look at this. Hey, while you're looking at these beautiful falafels, I'm going to tell you my review of them. I thought they were good. They have like an oniony taste. It kind of tastes like bread, like Thanksgiving stuffing, but not quite. I thought they were good. Alright, I think my little baby boys are ready. Let's give one a taste. Yeah, I give that 10 Gordon Ramsays, 11 Gordon Ramsays.